In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view a report of your expiring credentials. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this, then choose Credentials. Go to your new top menu bar and select Reports. From the drop-down menu, choose Expiring Credentials. You should arrive at a list of your credentials that are going to expire. I can see the name of the employee, the name of the credentials code, when the credential was completed, when it was started, and when it ended or expired. Right now I'm viewing 1 month's worth of expired credentials at a time. If I want to, I can change that data range. If I click the arrow next to month, I can choose to view expiring credentials by a date range, a day, a week, a month, a quarter, or a year at a time. Maybe I'll choose quarter. I can see that Cassie is the only person with an expiring credential this quarter. I could also change the range. Maybe I want to look at next quarter. I can use the forward arrow, and I can see that no employee's credentials will be expiring then. I could have also used the calendar icon to select a specific date. I'm going to go back. If I want to view the details of Cassie's credential or make any changes to it, I can click on her name. From here, I can change the credential's status, any of its dates, its IDs and scores, and any notes. I'm going to go ahead and leave this as is, so I will click Close. The final thing I can do from here is I can export this information to an Excel spreadsheet. Maybe you need to print out your list of expiring employees. To do that, click Export to Excel. Select the folder you want to save this information to and give this data a name. If you changed your mind and you don't want to save this information, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. And now this information has been saved in an Excel spreadsheet. If I open that spreadsheet, I can see all of Cassie's information. If I had more than one employee who had an expiring credential, their information would be here as well. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this. That's how you can view a report of your expiring credentials. Check out the next video to learn how to view your non-compliant report.